everybody. How are you all? It's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library, and I am here to tell you a little bit about our next family craft. Family means we're all going to get together and do it as a family. Family bonding is so important and it's so fun. So everybody get together and we're going to do something fun called a family tree. What's a family tree? Well, some of the older people might know, but some of you little people might not know as much. So what I am doing is sending home all this lovely fun information on what a family tree is. It's basically a lot of information about all the people in your family, and I'm not just talking about mom, dad, brothers, sisters. I'm talking about grandma, grandpa, and their parents as well. So great grandparents, aunts, uncles, however deep and far you want to go. That's what this is about. You are going to have so much fun learning about how big your family is. So you might think, some of you may have a small family and you might think, my family's so small. But when you start learning and researching and helping to fill out this family tree, you might realize that your family is actually huge, but you just never knew that because you don't always see these people. Not all of them are here with us right now. Because when you're talking about great grandparents, this is people that you've never even met, possibly, maybe you have. So anyway, it's going to be super fun just to learn about all the people in your family that you may have met or may not have met, that you may know about, that you may not know about. Fun stuff. Okay, that is what you're going to do. Well, you're going to be creating this family tree all together, like I said, as a family, okay? I do not have one to show you because there's so many different ways to make them. I am giving you the tools to make it. You are making it, okay? I have in here just a bunch of different ways that you can make it. In case you want to make the tree type, because there are different types of family trees. There are, well, there's one that you use an actual tree trunk and then you fill in all of the leaves as the people of your family. So I'll send home the tree trunk in case some of you can't make your own tree trunk. I can't. So you'll have that. But then there's also a family tree that looks a little bit like this. So there is this tree in the middle that kind of represents your family tree, but it's not necessarily filled out to look like a tree. Okay, so there's that. You could fill that out if you want. And then there's just, you know, a little fun one if you don't want to actually make a family tree, you can just fill it out. There's that. So there's just a couple of different ones I'm going to send home that you can do if you don't want to get all crazy and making one and being all crafty. That's totally fine. There's this one. You can just put some pictures of the people if you want, or even cut out little circles and write stuff about each of them. That would be fine. I mean, whatever you want to do, because it's your family tree. You guys get to do it. I thought this looked fun to maybe do as a family. That way you can learn a little bit more about what each of these things mean, like your grandparents' mother. Who would that be? Right. If you don't know, you can figure that out with your family. Okay? So that's it, guys. I am sending you home the tools to put together this awesome family tree. And you know what? Really all it is spending time with your family. And what could be more fun than that? Exactly. Bonding time is amazing. You guys have fun with this. Enjoy all the stuff that's in there. Take a look at it all. Read through it all if you need to, unless you already know what it all is. And create your family tree and just have fun doing it and learning about all the different people that you either knew about or you didn't. Bye, everybody.